Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gems of Knowledge. I am here with another video on the topic is matter around us pure? So here let us see how the classification of matter is going to be there and about the pure substances, mixtures as well as the types of mixtures. Okay, so before we start with the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. So let's start with the video. Here the first concept is matter around us pure? So what does this means? You know what is matter? You have already studied in your previous chapter. Okay, what is matter? So matter is something which has some mass and also it occupies some space. Okay, so that particular thing is called as matter. So how the classification of matter can takes place? So matter is generally classified into two things. Okay, one is based on its physical composition and another is nothing but based on its chemical composition, physical composition as well as chemical composition. So according to the physical composition of matter, we have studied about solid, liquid and gases. So this part already we have studied in our previous video, matter in our surrounding. So in this chapter we are going to study about the chemical composition of this matter. Okay, so in today's video we are going to study about the pure substances as well as we are going to study about the mixtures. So pure substance is classified under again two things that are nothing but elements as well as compounds, and mixtures are again classified in homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, so now you can see here what are pure substances and what are mixtures. So let us learn now what are pure substances and what are mixtures. So pure substance, it is a substance which consists of a single type of substance. So a substance which consists of only one type of product into it. That is nothing but either it is consist of only the elements or the compound. If it is a compound also, it should contain the same type of element. Then it is called as pure substance. Suppose example they have given iron, copper, hydrogen, oxygen, water, sugar, salt, etc. So it contains only one type of element here. Okay, so this is nothing but see here, oxygen contains only one type of element, hydrogen is only one type of element, copper is only one type of element, so iron, so this is nothing but a pure substance. Whereas water, it consists of H2O, it is nothing but a compound. Okay, so we can say here it is nothing but a compound, so it is a pure substance. Then coming to mixtures, what is mixture? Is nothing but a substance which consists of two or more pure substances. When you mix two or more pure substances, we get nothing but mixtures. So example is given: seawater, mineral, salt, air, sand and salt, sugar in water, salt in water, etc. So this is nothing but a type of mixtures. So next you can see the difference between the pure substance and mixtures. So what is the difference here? So the first difference is nothing but pure substance consists of only single substance, whereas the mixture consists of two or more substances. Then pure substance, it cannot be separated into other substances by physical methods. So we cannot use any physical method here and we cannot separate this pure substance. Okay. Then whereas the mixtures can be separated into its components by physical methods such as hand picking, we can pick it. Okay. So there are many physical methods by which we can separate the mixtures. Okay. Then it has its own properties. Yes, pure substance will have its own property because here it consists of only one single substance. Okay, it is having its own property. So we can say that pure substance will consist of its own property. Whereas mixture, it shows property of its components because here two or three components will be together. So it shows different properties of its different components. Okay. Okay, so next we are going to study about the types of mixtures. There are two types of mixtures. First one is nothing but about the homogeneous mixture. So you can see here what is homogeneous mixture. It is a mixture which has a uniform composition. Okay, this is a type of mixture which has a uniform composition, same composition over all the mixture. So the particles of the mixtures are not visible by naked eyes. So in this case what happens is the particles of mixtures which are present, it is not visible by our eyes. We cannot see the particles which are mixtures particles. We cannot see it through our eyes. Okay, so the particles cannot be separated by filtration. So here we cannot even separate the particles here by filtration. Okay, so the mixture is stable. Okay, it means the mixture is stable. It means the particles do not settle down. Okay, so just for example, if we mix two different types of things, okay, two different types of substances, so and if we do not shake it for some time, it is not going to settle at the bottom of that. One substance is not going to settle in the bottom. Okay, so that is nothing but it is stable, means both the substances are going to be mixed uniformly. Throughout the solution they will be mixed. The path of beam of light is not visible in the mixture. So you may see a picture is popping up onto the screen and you can see how the path of light is visible into that picture. Okay, so that is not visible in this case because it is a homogeneous mixture. Okay, then example is given here, the mixture of sugar in water and salt in water. So when you mix sugar, when you make sugar water or salt water, so what happens in that is the sugar and salt will be uniformly distributed everywhere. If we take a sip of that sugar water or salt water, we can feel the saltiness or the sweetness into the water throughout all side of the water. In the whole completely beaker we can feel that the water is salty. So that is nothing but called as homogeneous mixture. Okay, and it cannot be separated by filtration. If we filter it, even then we cannot separate the salt from water or sugar from the water. This is about the homogeneous mixture. Now similarly we have to study the difference among the heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so it is a mixture which has a non-uniform composition, where in case of homogeneous mixture it was having a uniform composition. Okay, it is not having it is a mixture which has non-uniform composition. Okay, so the materials will be not uniformly distributed everywhere. The particles are visible by the naked eyes, so we can see the particles throughout the solution. The particles can be separated by filtration. Okay, here the particles can be separated by the filtration process. Then the mixture is unstable. Here it was stable, but here it is unstable. Means if we mix two of the substances, one substance is going to settle at the bottom of the glass. So the particles will settle down. Okay, then the path of beam of light is visible in the mixture. Okay, so the previous example which I have shown you, the beam of light which is passing, okay, that is an example for heterogeneous mixture. Then here example is been given, salt and sand. Yes, obviously if we mix salt and sand, it is a type of mixture which has non-uniform composition. Okay, then mixture of sulfur and iron, fillings, and mixture of oil and water, etc. So these are the examples for heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, so depending on these two things, there are few questions here. Have a look on these questions. Yes, so here you can see the first question here. So the first question is present on the page number 15. So the question is, what is meant by a substance? Okay, so in the video itself I have explained you what do you mean by pure substance. So here you can see a picture which gives the definition of the pure substance. So you can take down that definition. So you can see the second question here. The second question is list out the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So even this question we have solved in the video. So you can see it. You can see a picture is given here. I hope everything is clear to you. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you can comment down below, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.